Lost your Snapchat streak and want to get it back? I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to restore a lost Snapchat streak. Now let's get started. If you lost a Snapchat streak recently enough, you may have the option to restore it within the app. If you see a restore icon to the right of your chat with this friend in your chat tab on Snapchat, tap restore to bring back your Snap streak with that friend. If you don't see a restore icon, you may still be able to get your streak back. To restore a Snapchat streak without the restore icon, open your browser and go to help.snapchat.com. Then select I lost my Snap streak. Click where it says this form. Then fill out the form with your username, email, the phone number associated with your account, what type of device you use for Snapchat, your friend's username who you lost the streak with, and the date you noticed the streak was gone. Type in the number of days for the length of your lost streak. In the drop-down menu, select yes or no to indicate if you saw the hourglass icon when your streak was close to expiring. In the description section, include any other details about your situation. When you're done, click the Submit button at the bottom to send off the form. You should receive a response to the email address you provided within a few hours, and Snapchat's support team will help you restore your streak if possible. That's all it takes to restore a lost Snapchat streak. For more helpful Snapchat tips and tricks, check out our full playlist of Snapchat tutorials. We'll have it linked in the description box below. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every week.